The night has come, it's cold and losing my control. Your light is gone, and lonely darkness fill my soul. I wish that you could save me from my isolation. It's way too complicated. Let's stop this conversation. Let's stop this conversation. We got no relation.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, holy moly. Holy chat. Chat, chitty chitty chat, baby, what's up? Market maker Mario's in that building already. What's up, Mario? Decide on sleeping today, huh? Bielka, hola. Paul, good morning. Good morning to all of my people. Happy Wednesday. It's hump day. Hope you guys are surviving. Hope y'all are surviving. What the heck, bro? Drag this over. Freaking why I'm to say F it and go for it. Listen. Let her rip, baby. Let her absolutely rip. G-Man, what's up? How you doing? SK, hola, amigo. Hola. Matt, howdy. Trader 007, good morning. Holy chat. Chat, y'all feeling a giveaway today? I'm feeling like doing a giveaway today. And holy chat, we are live on our own channel, bro. Dude, we're live on our own channel. We've been live everywhere else. Been live on Ninja Trader. We've been live on Tradeify. We're finally here. Finally live on our own channel. Let's go. Dawn, what up? I've been hijacked? Yeah, for real. I feel like I have been. Ruben, what's good? Paul, good morning. And chat, we will be live on Ninja Trader again this afternoon. We'll be trading the market close session with Ninja Trader this afternoon. But at least we're getting in a morning stream today. Sounds good, Paul. Good morning. Will today be early duck race? There will be a duck race this morning, yes. Trader's Nest, good morning. So I hope y'all got your ducks ready for the morning, baby, because they got an early race to compete in for a 50K account with Tradeify. Let's take a look at news here real quick. Colby. Damn, my duck is not a morning duck. Time to get the duck an energy drink. Some performance enhancing drugs. It'll be all right. It'll be all right. Why isn't financial juice loading? Hello? There we go. Got some Fed speakers this morning, chat. We got some Fed speakers today, baby. Holy. We got Williams, Paulson, Waller, Bostic, Marin. Fed speakers. It is an absolute Fed circus today, chat. My goodness. It is an absolute Fed circus. Your dog's giving you dirty looks and needs coffee. Time to wake up, baby. Time to wake up. Chat market's open. Good luck. Market is open. Redneck, what up? Chat, how y'all doing this week, man? Let's get a P&L check. Are we green, red, purple, yellow, blue? What are we? How y'all doing? Kiz, what up? Teal. Holy. Nasdaq getting a little bit of sellers coming right out the open here. Paul says, I'm in a gold long halfway TP. Let's go. Holy, look at the sellers coming through here. Sellers on the Nazi coming through. Sid the trader. Green, love that. Had a good session. Good NQ London session, and I was looking to trade CL. It was doing curling pattern in the 1 hour, and I didn't take it, kicking myself on it. It happens. It absolutely happens. Look at the sellers coming through on the Nats here out the open. A lot of sellers coming through right out the gates here, chat. A lot of sellers. Flooding in. Almost well, almost a 90-point drop right out the open there. Let me get my Twitter pulled up here. Make sure I don't miss anything on Twitter, chat. You know what I mean? It's important. $650 is volume, point and control, 50 minutes port, nice. Sellers looking pretty aggressive right out the gates here. Gonna be watching, let's see, it's pulled a 15-minute here. Previous day's close, obviously, be a good one to watch. And then, I mean, depending on how aggressive we get, even lower than that. The 650s would be a good area. What do I think about a Moss trade style? He's a good trader. He trades ICT, right? Yeah, he trades ICT. He's a good trader. Chat, we're nearing our third payout on our TradeFi accounts, bro. We're near. We are near. Sellers still picking up here. What's been taking TPT so long with payouts lately? I have no idea. Are they taking a long time? Mario, I hear you, bro. I hear you. Walk away if you need. I hear you. All right, is Nas gonna roll here? Chat, what do we think? Is Nas gonna roll today? Or is it gonna be like every other time where it's gonna dip heavily and then rip right out of it? Chat, what do you think? We're gonna get a dip and rip? Or are we just gonna dip all day? What up, Tris? What a good open. Not bad. A lot of sellers. What up, Bo? 125,900. So we're gonna dip and rip then. Currently trading 680. He's trying to make a little bit of another move down here. We'll see if it holds. Right now holding below 700. Below the 700s. We're gonna be watching these 650s. So I got Age of Low yet. Show did. It show did. We've seen what can happen once we take out the, like, London lows or Asia lows. We can usually rip out of it. But this is some pretty aggressive selling. I don't know. I think we still have some lower price action to see. I really want to watch these 650s here. Down at like the lower 600s. Gonna be a little patient today. As we get closer and closer to a payout, we're just gonna be being extra patient, sizing down, taking scalps. Like, we're not gonna be going for huge, massive trades. Like, we don't need to. We're very close to a third payout. So we're gonna be extra patient and just work our way slowly to the finish line there. Can you please run us through your analysis for your bias this morning? This morning, I will say I have a pretty neutral bias, chat. There's some days where I have a bullish bias, sometimes I have a bearish bias. Today is one of those where I'm kind of neutral, right? If we go to if we just zoom out and look at where we're really trading at, I mean, look at where we're trading at, right? We're in the middle here. You know what I mean? We're pretty much in the middle of all of this. So to be honest, I can make an argument for both directions. That's why I said today we're being a little bit extra patient, because there's, I mean, it's 50-50, right? It feels very 50-50 today. So really, I'm trying to let the market like give me a little bit of information before I really decide on what direction I want to play the market today. So that's why, again, just being a little bit extra patient, letting the market kind of do its thing for a minute and figure out what it wants to do before choosing a direction. So right now, man, overall, I'm pretty neutral, just given where we are in price. Enrique, what up? Do I consider fair value gaps? Yes and no. I look at them. I wouldn't say that I'm not an ICT trader, but I will look at like fair value gaps and see if like there's if it makes sense for price to navigate back into that or not. Nice, Paul. All right, here we come in the 650s. See, we got previous day's close at 640. Let's see if we can pop down to those 20s there, test the support level back here, and see how we react. Monthly chart looks bullish. I mean, yeah, it's Nasdaq's been on a massive run. How can you do it? To be honest, it's probably in the settings somewhere. I don't know. This is like just the default, and I've just always had it. I never actually really changed it myself, so it's always just kind of been there. I don't know. You have to play with it, to be honest. As I really don't know. It's probably in chart settings somewhere. Buyers picking up a little bit here. Buyers trying to catch a bid in the 650s. Still dumping, yep. So far. So far. Also, chat, for those that have been watching the free day trading course I have on YouTube, the fourth video? I think we've got 4 videos now. Yeah, the 4th video comes out today. Unfortunately, I won't be able to do it live today. I have to record it and go do some things, so I don't have time to go live later today to do it live, but it will be recorded and it'll be uploaded today, so be on the lookout for that. The 4th video of that free day trading course series will be up today. And then that'll be the last video on the psychology part of trading as well, for now at least. And then we're gonna move into something different after this video. So it'll be another psychology mental part of trading video, and then we're gonna move into something entirely different afterwards. So be on the lookout for that. Of course, because we're looking for a entry. I'm gonna be watching, zooming out here, somewhere below the 620s. I really want to see how we react, if we catch a bid down there or not. I mean, we're in an area where we could catch a bid, so I'm just gonna be a little bit more patient though and see how we react down here in these 620s. What up, Carrie? So if you guys are not subscribed to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button and catch those videos. We have tons of free day trading course content coming out, tons of it. There's gonna be so many videos. So make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel to get those, and also to catch the live streams. Chat, it seems like every time I try to make a streaming schedule, I get asked to be on other streams. I can't help it. Like I try to make a schedule, and then it's like, hey, we want you to come on our stream. Hey, we want you to come on our stream. I signed a partnership with Ninja Trader, and so I'm gonna be on their streams a little bit more. So I'm just convinced that I'm not ever gonna have a like just consistent streaming schedule, at least right now. At least for my own channel. Like, I'll be live every day, but for my own channel, I'm convinced I just won't have a consistent one. A lot of sellers just came down through here, bro. A lot of sellers. I mean, we are moving and grooving the downside here. 620s got ran through. A lot of sellers in the building. Think of it as a chance to build your audience. Yeah. It's true. It's true. All right, seeing Buyers, try to catch a bid here. 600s. I don't know. Selling is still pretty aggressive. At this point, chat, I mean, as aggressive selling as we have, the next level I'd be watching for is really those 480s. I mean, sellers are really showing up here. So I don't think it's too far stretched to see those 400s. Paul, yeah, you absolutely does. 100%. I'd say that's where the most opportunity is. Chat, as a reminder, we are running an internal giveaway as well for everybody in the Discord. So if you're not in Discord, be sure to hop in. But if you use code JM at Tradeify, just send me a screenshot using code JM. That'll enter you for a free 150K straight to funded account. Holy. What's up, Brad? Rednet, just DM me if you didn't. I don't know. Just shoot me a message and show me. If I responded, then I got it. If not, I didn't. Okay, gotcha. Then I probably did. If I responded to you, I have you logged. All right, Nasdaq hanging out below these 600s here. Being a little patient, not really gonna chase anything just yet. Be a little extra patient. You have so many JMs on your friend list now, it's hard to keep them all straight. Real JM versus spam GMs. I know, bro. There's a ton of people that try to impersonate me. There's a lot of people that impersonate me, bro. And there's nothing that I can do about it either, to be honest. Nothing you can do about it. It happens when you're a online creator and influencer. People try to impersonate you so they can sell you things. They use my name. What about the IB? Does it still offer sufficient trades? Yes, it does. I took one. When did I take one? Let's see. I took this long here. I took this long. I took that long as well. I took this long on Ninja Trader stream. So far, that's the most recent ones. You had someone impersonate you as well. Nice. That's how you know you made it, G-Man. That's how you know you made it, bro. Holy. G-Man, I'm still waiting on the course, bro. How to trade gold. Charge 30K for it. $30K, G-Man. How to trade gold 101. Let me give you my credit card. Yes, it was. That move was nice. I enjoyed every moment of writing gold down. I wish there was a way to block this, like, people who impersonate you. There's just no way to do it, because they're real people with real accounts, and then they just join and then change their name and change their profile picture. There's just no way of blocking it. My indicator's through Lux Algo. So that's who I partnered with Lux Algo to create that. So it's not a Ninja Trader thing. So it'll only be on TradingView. Sellers still showing up here on the Nasdaq. Jazz, a reminder, we are doing a 50K growth account giveaway today. Buyers trying to hold these lows. We'll see if they can hold it, or if they do end up snapping. Again, I really don't think the 400s are too far out, to be honest. I think 400s could easily come into play. Especially with all the Fed members speaking today. Because we have an absolute Fed circus today, chat. Fed circus. Waller, Bostic, and Mirren are the big ones. Still trying to defend this low here. We'll see how if buyers can sustain it. So far, sellers are still taking over here. Does Amir have Fed speakers been way more frequently? Yes, they have. It seems like we've had a lot of Fed speakers lately. Buyers trying to defend this low here.
Took a swing at a wrecking ball and I prayed for my downfall and I found a way to reconcile, 'cause in my heart it's not worthwhile. It's a bloody battlefield where some go down, others heal. In the end it's all the same. All you can do is play the game.
That's previous day close, Paul. Are you referring to this one here? That's previous day close. Buyer's trying to defend this here. I don't know if we run all the way back up. We might get a little bit of a pullback to the upside. I was at 9. We have Waller speaking in 20 minutes. We have Paulson speaking right now. Buyers getting back above 600 here. Back above the 600s. Chad, if you haven't already, do me a favor, hit that like button. Let's get the likes up on the stream. 454.
Life kept spitting at my feet and forced me down a dead-end street when all I had went up in flames, burning only dark remains. I covered up every part of my skin, oh,
All right, buyers are stepping in here.
person within, oh, I know I'm the one to blame. All I can do is take the shame, oh, do we say
Buyers really trying to step in here.
refuse to question why? I'm just sad to say I'm sorry, so lie and pretend that you're okay. Swear that you will stay. Keep trying for one day. Whoa, I'm sick of all these lies. Don't care if I capsize.
Trading 625s, getting back above 600s there. Previous day close is 640. Interesting little bid here from these lows. A 60-point buy up there from that low. Nice, Mario. At least you got something out of it.
Sick of all these lies. Don't care if I capsize. Oh no. Suck me in slow, breathe me in and let me go. Filling the lungs inside you, and the blackened eyes.
Still not seeing anything I really want to take right here. I mean, I'm buyers trying to catch a bid, trying to hold these 600s. I'm still not overly convinced. Being a little extra patient today, chat. Extra patient. You got 14 on London, so you shouldn't be upset. Yeah, you're good, bro. You're good. 2,700 today. I think you're all right. I don't think you're really in a bad spot, you know. I don't think you're in a bad spot, Mario. Chat, I can't stop yawning, bro. My wife is going to get me a Celsius, so I'm gonna have caffeine flowing through the veins. I'm pretty excited about it. Jishnu Jayakamakalaka. Today I have a goat instead of ducks. Can we do a goat race? I don't know that we can do a goat race. Do you know what the rules are for requesting a payout from Tasso? It seems like, wait, like, is there a minimum you have to have before you make a request? I don't think there's a minimum. Ooh. Smashing the like button equals profitability. Yep. But I don't think there's a minimum. You just want to make sure you leave yourself, you know, enough buffer. Sellers come back through here. Chat, there it is. There it is, baby. Holy. It's a beautiful thing, chat. It's a beautiful thing. Buyers here, holy. We pump all the way up now, maybe. I don't know. I'm not entirely convinced on that. Pay the trader. Yeah, but you want to set yourself up to take multiple payouts, you know what I mean? You want to set yourself up to take multiple payouts, not just one. So building a buffer is smart. Chat, I'm considering shorts here. I want to see if we start to try to roll over. Nice, Bond. see, what are you looking for here? I'm looking for any weakness to come back up in these mid 600s. I don't know if there's a chance that we pop all the way back up, but if we can get some weakness here in the mid 600s, I'm gonna look for a short. I think it's higher probability at that point. Yeah, I'm gonna enter a small position. This is kind of a starter position, so I can afford to let this thing go against me quite a bit. I'm only in 3 micros, so I'm gonna take a starter position, and then if I get confirmation of us starting to roll over the mid 600s here, I'm gonna add to my position and go to my normal position size. So I'm not gonna take much heat on this if I get out of it. It's a little bit more of a riskier trade, more aggressive one, but that's why I'm sized down smaller. We start getting inching towards the closer to the 700s. I'm definitely getting out of this trade. But I feel good about entering small here and giving it some time. We are getting some pretty strong buying here. Need to see a little weakness come through pretty much here at this level. What up, Miss K? How you doing? Yeah, I don't know that I love us getting back to the 70s. We need to stay below the 70s. Above the 70s, I'm not going to like this trade. So I need to start getting some weakness here, pretty much at this level where we're at. Get back below the 30s, I think we're going to be okay in this trade. But so far, buyers keep buying us up here, so not in love with that. If we're going to catch weakness, it would be here. There we go. Oh, let's see this thing continue back down. Need to stay under the 30s though, for sure. because we could still catch a bounce here, chat. So I'm not gonna get overly excited just yet. Sellers picking up here. Potentially going to lows. Chat, I'm gonna take it off. I'm gonna take the 200 there. There's a chance we come down to the lows, but that was a beautiful trade. I mean, we entered that at 33, got out at 97, so almost a 40 pointer just then. I mean, 40 points is a banger trade. So it was a smaller position size. Chances are, I mean, with the weakness overall on the today and the weakness we just got, chances are we probably go the lows. But I'm gonna be happy with that, just because also too, like, I'm so close to another payout on these Tradify accounts, chat, that I don't want to give back profits. Like, I want to make sure I scout my way to getting this payout. In a personal account, maybe I would have held this a little longer, but with this being my Tradify accounts, I'm gonna lock it in. I'm gonna lock it in, because we're inching closer and closer to a payout. So we're just gonna lock it in, baby. But a chat, a 40 pointer to start off the day. Can't complain about that, huh? Can't complain about that. That was about a 1-to-1 as well. I mean, well, actually, no, that was more than a 1-to-1. That was like almost like a 1.5. I think I took about $150 a heat there. We're back at these 600s where we've had a tug of war already, so I feel pretty good about that exit, to be honest. I think that was a good exit. Take the green, 100%. 100%. Yeah, especially just being so close to payout. Like, the more I can inch myself to it, the better it is, you know? The quicker you get to it. Instead of trying to hit like massive home run trades where you're going to get stopped out for break even majority of the time, I'd rather just scout my way to it. But that was a little over 200 per account, so a little over $1,000 on the trade. total. I was trying to, I did want to initially hold out for the lows when we saw this weakness, but the thing that worried me was a 600 level. I had a feeling that we were going to see a little bit of a tug of war at 600. And I just, to be honest, I didn't want to deal with it. I just didn't want to deal with it. So that trade you took, what was the actual setup? So it was a retest of previous resistance. So if I go back to the 15 minute. Retest, you see these all these wicks here. So remember, if you remember earlier, I said that I was really watching if we could get down to like the 620s below these wicks, because there's a lot of consolidation here and a lot of wicks here. Taking into consideration the amount of selling that we had on the morning so far, right out of the open, price coming back up and retesting this, right, was where I was looking to short it. Previous consolidation, a lot of resistance here. You know, past support, what used to be support will turn into resistance usually. So that was, it's just the kind of like like a very surface level strategy, right? There's nothing really too in depth about this strategy. This is kind of a surface level strategy that just trading off basic foundations really. But past resistance or past support becoming that resistance level there for price after we had just saw the initial sell off there, and finding a spot to go with that trend too. With the aggression of sellers that we had out the open, like I don't want to step in front of a train. You know what I mean? I don't want to step in front of a train and catch a falling knife as well. So every now and then it's nice to trade off the foundations, chat. You know what I mean? Just as easy as support and resistance. It's sometimes simplicity is just nice, you know? Anytime I can get a good simplicity trade, I feel pretty good about it. Buyers still trying to defend that area down there in the 580s. So far we are not, like, we haven't been able to run back to the lows. Confirming my exit even more. Again, just that 600 level being an absolute tug of war. Which I did not want to deal with. Buyers trying to defend that 600. Yo, Miss K said it, chat. If you haven't hit the like button, bro, hit it. Hit it, hit it, hit it. I will send Big Frank. I don't know if is Big Frank here. I don't know if Big Frank's here yet. But y'all don't want to deal with Big Frank, bro. If you haven't hit the like button, I will send him to your front door. Not Big Frank. You don't want Big Frank, bro. I'm telling you. See if we get another opportunity in the morning here.
The night has come, it's cold and losing my control. Your light is gone, and lonely darkness fills.
Chat, as a reminder, I will be trading live on Ninja Trader this afternoon, so there won't be an afternoon stream on my channel today, just because I'll be over on Ninja Traders. So keep that in mind. I know in Discord I posted that we'd have an afternoon stream today on my channel, but they asked me if I could come on to fill in for somebody who couldn't be there. I wasn't supposed to be on, but they have somebody that couldn't be there today, so they asked me if I could fill in for them. I appreciate that, Bond. Any new trade? So far, no. We took that one trade, that one short up here. So far, nothing since. Just kind of waiting. It's been a tug of war at these 600s. I'm not really too excited to be where we're at. I want either another large move down or see some confirmation of a recovery. I'm leaning more towards more potential downside, to be honest. I think we do have more room to go. Looking at, you know, the 15-minute time frame here, seeing these low 500s, I mean, I feel like it's a good area for price to navigate towards today, just given the nature of what we've had so far. But those low 500s, I think, are a pretty good area to wait for and see how we react on there. For me, at least. Going to risk a light YM short. It's only 400. Nice. Good luck. You know what's crazy? There's times where like I'll enter like this trade as an example, right? There's times where I'll enter a light position. I say I'm gonna enter a light position, which is like three micros for me. Like if I lose a trade on 3 micros, like I couldn't care less. But at the same time too, it's like even that trade as an example, I feel like I make the same amount, if not more, than some traders who trade 1 mini. And I'm only trading 3 micros. Like I just made, at one point I was up at like 250 on that trade. There are some people that only make that on 1 mini. You know what I mean? I did on 3 micros. That's what I'm saying. I feel like people like, I don't understand why people feel like they have to trade minis. Like at least on micros, like I can tolerate a huge pullback and it not affect me at all. And then still make really good money trading 3 micros. They want to see big numbers. Yeah, that's because they pay too much attention to the internet. That's why. They see all the traders on Twitter posting 5-figure days. It's like I gotta throw on 5 minis. I gotta make 10K today. When will the Ducks run? I don't know. Some point today. Some point this morning. I'm in no rush. Kind of just hanging out, seeing price does. Usually we do the duck races when I get ready to end the stream. They're usually towards the end. But right now we're in no rush. We're just hanging out, baby, hanging out. But there will be a duck race today. Nice, Miss Venture. Love that. I have a question about scaling into a winning position. Do you need to wait for your stop to be moved to break even on the initial entry before adding to it? No, you don't. Not at all. In fact, I feel like that would be too tight of a stop, right? Because if you're in a position, right, and you add to a winning one, your average price entry moves up, right? And so it moves closer to where price currently is. And so if you go to break even and keep your stop at break even, then you're gonna have a very tight stop, and chances are you're gonna get tapped for break even, right? Now that's not to say you can't move your stop up, right, to protect risk a little more, but I wouldn't go break even. Ignite Income, what up? Good morning. Hey, teasing you? Hold on, let me see. Let me take a look at YM. What's your entry? What's the entry? Man, what a move, dude. Does YM just rip into oblivion or what, dude? Like, I feel like YM always does this. Like, I at this point, I just want to just long YM all the time. Like YM, it seems like every day YM has one move that is just in a straight line. It's crazy. $471 on the pullback. Wait, what? What am I missing here? 471. Oh, wait, I'm stupid. Okay, here we go. Gotcha. Yeah, dude, no, I was looking, just ignore me. 471. Sweet, got it. Short. Nice. You're up 60, almost 60 points. You need some Celsius? I got it right. I got it right here. I just haven't drank enough of it. What are you, Mario, what are you targeting? Dude, am I about to start looking at YM? Hold on. The YM moves are insane. Is it? Dude, YM is insanity, bro. The hell? I feel like I need to start looking at YM more. I feel like there's a lot of moves there. It's crazy. Well, good luck on that short. So far, you're looking pretty good. Mario, what's the what's the point value again on YM? I forgot. I don't remember what it is. What's the point value for mini and micros? $389 point range on the IB for YM. Crazy. All right, more selling trying to pick up here on the Nas. I think gold will hit 4,200. Lots of orders on the way up. Take a look at gold. It's gold moving. Oh, gold's ripping. Oh my goodness. What the hell? Gold is just... Okay, $5 a point on YM. Jack, gold is moving, bro. Holy. Wowzers. Gold back to all-time highs, chat. What do we think? What is all-time high on gold? Was that 398? Gold moves insane too, bro. I mean, there's like, if gold catches a move, it catches a freaking move. Just absolutely insanity. Nasdaq coming back up to test IB low here. Jack, if we get strength above IB low, I'm gonna look at the long. And anticipate a failure on IB low there. Nice ball. Nice, Mario. GG's. Love that. Nasdaq getting a nasty wick on the 5-minute there. Seeing some buyers come through above IB low. IB low so far, seeing some strength above it. A lot of strength actually. That wick on the 5 minutes, dirty. Look at that. Look at that 5-minute wick, chat. I might see a nice bid here. So far it's running without me though. I don't want to chase it. So far it's running without me. This will be it's a textbook failure on the IB. See if we can get pulled back here to get an entry on. I don't want to chase it. Need some sort of pullback to get long off of here. I don't know if it's gonna give me the pullback shot. There are two types. There are two trades I love on YM when they do initial push and continuation. The reverse laughter, nice. There you go. Second one's a little riskier. Did gold just skyrocket? What'd gold do? Yeah. Gold's insane, bro. It really is. Gold is absolutely insane. Man, look at this move, dude. This is my A+ setup, chat. I mean, it's moving without me. I'm just not getting the entry I want. I missed it. I missed it. Unless it gives me a pullback here. I need some sort of pullback, at least maybe down in the 70s. Like if I could get like 71, I'd feel much better about longing it. But I don't want to long in the 90s. Also, it feels like volume is really drying up here. Jazz, I feel like volume is drying up to anybody else. Liquidity Legend, what up? Good morning. Def drying up. Yeah, that's what it feels like. Feels like price is really slowing down. Trader 007, what's up? How you doing? Do I trade ES? Not really. I mean, there's times where I have. The two main instruments that I trade is Nasdaq and gold. Yeah, Nasdaq's not gonna give me my entry, chat. That's unfortunate. I could have did a front run again on this. I was afraid of something like this happening, but unfortunately, I don't think the Nasdaq's gonna give me my entry, dude. And I'm not gonna chase it, bro. I'm not gonna do it. I am not gonna chase it. I refuse. G-Man. Trader 007. You've been banned from duck races. You win too much, dude. We can't let you win anymore, bro. Golly. Even when he doesn't, even when Trader 007 doesn't win, he really like gives people anxiety because he's like, he's always in the front every time. Like he's always in the front. His dog is on roids. He gives his dog the performance enhancing drugs, bro. I'm telling you. What up, Gleb? We shorted earlier. We took a nice 40-point short. Nice little pullback here. I wasn't even paying attention. Holy shit. All right. Uh, got my brand new live account. Somehow I'm too scared to trade size now. It's an adjustment for sure. All right, we're long 3. 3 micros. Small size. Oh, we gotta stay above IB low here. I don't want. We can't fall below IB low. Falling below IB low would probably get tapped out because I might get aggressive. As long as we stay above IB low, we'll be all right in this trade. Buyers can get above the 80s, man. I feel like we'd be okay. Just, we gotta hold IB low, man. Which we're not currently doing. Oof, I don't like that. Yeah, that's not good. Gotta stay above IB low. Paul, so far I haven't had a setup on that strategy yet. This is an IB strategy, which I might actually lose this one because we're getting aggressive to the downside here. Oh, I'm almost tapped out there. Yeah, this is probably an L, chat. Probably an L. We're probably gonna run the list. When is the race? Oh, here soon. Well, I was hoping IB low would hold. I thought we were finding strength above IB low. The IB failure not working out today. I mean, surely this is going to stop me out. Fair value gap down below. How valuable is that to me? I don't use them to make a lot of trading decisions, to be honest. I mean, they're important to people who trade ICT. I personally don't, so I don't pay attention to them that much, but they can be valuable to people who trade those. There are circumstances where I will look at them, just not particularly in this one. Yeah, I'm looking for 600s, Gleb. Mario, same. Boy, is this thing gonna stop me out or what, bro? Like, what is this movement? Like, it almost stops me out here, like missed me by a tick, rips all the way back up above my entry, and now it's coming all the way back down. Like, this is just insanity. Golly. What a pull down, dude. Wow. That is a mega pull down. So if you guys didn't know, the range of today's price action is between my stop and my entry. Holy, bro. All right, is it gonna stop me out now? I think chances are I get stopped out, chat. At this point, I'm leaning more towards the fact I get stopped out in this trade. I've already accepted the fact I'm getting stopped out. I'm just letting price play out, though. But we've accepted the fact that we're getting stopped out in this trade. They want to make me sweat. I'm not going to sweat, bro. Again, I've already accepted we're getting stopped out. I've already taken this trade as a no. Nice, G-Man. Nice, Glub. Nice work. Trader King. This trade is mad annoying, Chad. I'm not gonna lie to you. Like, just go or stop me out. Sid, I'm long right now. Mara says yes. Yes to all. I swear to God, coming all the way back down, bro. Just stop me out. If this thing comes all the way back down, at that point, I wanted to stop me out. Just so I can get out of this trade. If we would trace all the way back, if we trace this whole candle, just stop me out. Like, what is this PA? Like, this is definitely where I chalk it up for the day. Sounds good, Chi, man. All right, just take me out. Quit toying with me, just take me out. Probably gonna get like a massive jump to the downside. The moment buyers give up, just huge jump to the downside. What's gonna happen, chat, is it's gonna take me out, run the lows, and then rip. All right, we're about to get tapped here. I see. I really don't see any. There we go. All right, now we're tapped. And now we're gonna run the lows. Right? Run the lows. No? Oh no, it did. It popped. I think it might have ran the lows by a tick or tested it to the tick. One of the two. Now it's gonna rip. Guaranteed. Now it's gonna rip, chat. All right, let's do some duck races. What do y'all think? Let me get the duck race, or get everything set up here for the duck race. Get everything set up. Wait, where's my, why is this not loading? Hello? Duck race? There we go. All right, chat. Let's see, good. All right, let's see. What should our keyword be? What should the keyword be today? We are, yeah. We are break even today. One loser, one winner. I know what we'll do. All right, chat. Here is your keyword. Since it is a Wednesday, keywords hump day, right there in the comments. Type hump day in the chat. Be entered for a free 50K growth account with Tradify. Today is Wednesday, right? Yeah, today is Wednesday. Yeah, the camel in your head, Helling Hump Day. Yo, those were great. Do they still even make those commercials? Chat, while you guys are here, bro, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. We are live every single day. Even though I try to get a consistent schedule down, I get asked to be on streams, other people's streams. And so at this point, I'm just convinced I'm not going to have a consistent streaming schedule. But we are live every day, whether it's on this channel or on Ninja Trader or Tradeify. But we try to be live here every single day if we're not on somebody else's stream. So be sure to hit that subscribe button. Join up on the live streams. Brad, just type hump day for to win for a chance to win a free 50K growth account on Tradeify. Also, we are putting a free day trading course right here on YouTube. Absolutely free. If you go to my channel and go to my playlist, you'll see the free day trading course playlist. We are uploading the 4th video today. Unfortunately, I won't have time to do it live with you guys, but I am going to record it and upload it today. And that'll be the last video on the whole mental and psychology side of trading, at least for now. We'll probably come back to it, that category, but we're going to move on to something different after today's video. And then, yeah, so again, make sure you're subscribed. Also, we're running an internal giveaway for Tradeify right now. If you use code JM at Tradeify, send me a screenshot in Discord, which the link for that is in the description. Send me a DM in Discord using code JM at Tradeify. And that'll enter you for a free 150K straight to funded account. All the bot accounts are out, chat. All the bot accounts are here, baby. Everybody using their alt accounts. I don't know how to battle that, chat. I really don't. Oh, that's a good idea. Put it in Discord. Oh, then y'all can't use y'all's alt accounts. Ooh. Good idea, Mario. Yeah. I like that. I think we're gonna do that next time. I'll create a channel. Resume writing expert. Resume's always been here. He's in kind of an OG in the duck races. Mario, yeah, I'm gonna create a channel for that, for a giveaway channel. That way we have that giveaways channel. I like it. We're doing that, chat. Friday. That's how we're doing it. Friday. That's how we gonna do it, baby. All right, chat, let's go. Let's do it. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. All 118 of you. Okay. Golly. Oh, wait a second. Hold on. It's not letting me put everyone in. There we go. All right, chat. Good luck for a 50K straight, or not straight funded, sorry. 50K growth account with Tradeify. 50K growth account. BLK, it's people using alt accounts. We're gonna do it in Discord from now on. Good luck. Good luck, good luck, good luck, good luck. We got Traders Grind. Coming out in the lead, we got trades by Shana Balalala, Miss Venture, Alfonzi, Kiz Maz. We got Marika. Holy, who's it gonna be, chat? Who's it gonna be? It could be anybody's duck race. This is where preparation meets opportunity, chat. This is your moment to shine, baby. I have no idea who the fuck this is. Who's this? Discipline in Dollars. Discipline in Dollars coming in hot, baby, coming in hot. We got G-Man, we got MH, we got the Pop Zone. Oh, baby, Enrique, Alfonzi. Oh, look at Enrique. Enrique coming out to take the lead, chat. I'm also long on Nasdaq right now. Sniper Sessions, we got Dreef, we got Bielka, we got Sasi Tanana Vadiana Mandarana. We got Ronnie also. We got Dreef. Holy. We got Paul Morgan. We got Jolu. We got Elmi. We got Redneck. We got Plagia. Oh, baby. Who's it gonna be? Who's it gonna be? Who's it gonna be? I'm also watching my long chat because we are long in a nice little long position here. Kiz Maz. We got Trader 007. Elmi. Alfonzi. Volatility Vault. Profit per tick. You got 20 seconds, baby. It is an absolute close one. Profit per tick. For the 50K growth account with Tradeify, baby. Holy, we got Conrin. It is an absolute close one, chat. It is an absolute close one. Paul S. Who's it going to be? Paul S. Paul S. GG's, baby. Holy. Paul S, are you here? Paul S, talk to me. Claim it in the comments, baby. Paul S. Nice, Paul S. Yo, Paul, DM me in Discord. I'll get you a free code. I'll get you a code for a free 50K growth account, chat. Paul, send me that message. And while we were in the duck race, chat, I re-entered my long position. What I tell you it was going to do, bro, it was going to run the low, stop me out, and then rip. What'd I tell you? Of course it's going to. Thinking about taking profits, though. Thinking about taking profits here. What do you think, chat? Do we take the profits or keep letting her rip? Say, well, I'll move my stop to, oh, let's go ahead and take it out. Let's just take the profits because I don't want this thing pulling all the way back on me. So we're back up 200, chat. We're back up 200 on the day. Boom. There. We're stopping there. We're stopping there. We're back up 200. We're done. Bang, bang. Chat, with that said, bro, I hope you guys have a good rest of your day. We're going to end right there after doing a giveaway and being green on the day. I don't want to give it back. We're going to end there. Chat, remember, hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, baby. We do live streams every single day, giveaways pretty much twice a week at this point. Yeah. Continue to trade. Be safe. Hope you guys stay absolutely beautiful. Love you guys. Thank you for tuning in. I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Remember, we will be live on Ninja Trader stream later this afternoon. So be sure to come in, tune in, hang out with me, talk to me, chat with me on Ninja Trader. I'll see you guys later on. Cheers.